My name's Phil Le-Brun. I'm a Director of Enterprise Strategy. We're a small team of former C-suite executives from large public sector and commercial organizations. We were AWS customers and we've led transformations. I've got this amazing job now where we work with executive teams around the world across industries to help them embrace technology and think about how they can run their business differently, powered by the cloud. Last year, we announced an £8 billion investment in data centers and jobs associated with them. I think that's a great statement of positivity towards the UK. AWS has been established here for many years, has been key to the startup community, as well as many large enterprises, companies like TUI, NatWest, Olio, and Swindon Borough Council. And programs, many of the programs we see today, things like AWS Restart, originated out of the UK, so investments also in training of individuals as well. Sure, the research talks about what could become, if we're not careful, a two-tier economy around AI. So we see over a third of startups today using AI, not just to drive efficiencies, but actually core to their products and services they're delivering to customers. In the case of enterprises, moving a lot slower. Only 15% of enterprises today have an AI strategy, and yet large enterprises account for 48% of the turnover in the UK. So what we're trying to encourage and highlight is the primary driver of that gap is skill sets, making sure that they have access to individuals with the right skills. We've made a number of announcements over the past few years, such as training over 29 million people in cloud skills, 2 million people in AI, but we've got to close that gap in the UK between what companies need, what organizations need, and the skill sets available. We have this amazing, exciting opportunity in the UK. If we really focus on giving the people we have in organizations the skills they need to take advantage of not just AI and generative AI, but digital technologies in general, it's a huge competitive boost for the UK. So moving away from just purely thinking of the technology as a productivity play, a very 1960s view of make sure your payroll system's still working, to actually using technology at the heart of your business to reimagine what's possible.